How to make money as a 13-year-old. Method 1: Earning money online. Take surveys. Sell your skills. Get crafty. Sell unwanted items. Method 2: Making money in your neighborhood. Hold a yard sale. Do some odd jobs. Do jobs for your neighbors. Method 3: Working a part-time job. Look for agricultural work. Do a paper route. Work for your family business. Method 4: Becoming an entrepreneur. Start your own business. Tutor younger children. Babysit. Become a dog walker or pet sitter. Start a mobile car wash. Run a refreshment stand. Method 5: Saving money. Ask for cash instead of gifts. Start a bank account. Plan long-term. Invest.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe.